In this video I'm going to show you how to extract images for your presentations using your dorm room model. So one of the things that we want to do is create sections. To create sections, what you can do is you can go to Tools and then you can use the section plane. Alternatively, what you can do is you also enable this toolbar here, which is the sections toolbar. If you don't see that on your main toolbar, what you can do is you can go right click on this top menu and enable this sections toolbar, and then you'll see the sections toolbar. So let's go to Tools and then go to section plane. Once you have your section plane, you can section it on any side. So let's say I want a section like this. Can click and I can say just section 1, that's fine, and then I can move this to whatever position that I want to. So let's say I want to move it to somewhere in the middle. I'm going to use the move tool here, and I'm just going to move this plane over like so. And then I want to see it from this side. So what I can do is I can use my view toolbar and figure out which side that is. That's the particular side. So this is not really a section that you're seeing right now. It's a sectional perspective because all of the lines are in perspective. So this is not really a section, it's a sectional perspective. What you can do is, in order to make it a proper section, is go to camera and go to parallel projection. And now all of your line are orthographics. So a section usually is an orthographic projection. An elevation, a section, those are orthographic projections usually. So now what you're seeing is an orthographic projection of your section. So you shouldn't just put this in still. What we want to do is we want to remove some of these elements to make it look like a proper architectural drawing. So to do that, I'm going to go into the style section here. On the default tray, there is a section called styles, and if you don't see that, you can go to window and go to default tray and make sure your styles are checked. Once you go here, you can go to hidden line, which creates a hidden line view of the section that you just created. And if you want to remove all of this before you take this drawing into your presentation drawings, you would also want to remove the axes, these lines, because it doesn't look quite right with the axes available. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into view and go into axis and disable the axis. So now you see just the drawing. So what you can do with this is you can use this as an image. So there are a couple of ways that you can extract this image from Sketchup. One is to go to File and go to Export and go to 2D Graphic and export this as a 2D graphic into your hard drive, desktop, or wherever you want to save it as. Alternatively, what you can do is also you can use the Snipping Tool. So go to Snip, search for the Snipping Tool on Windows, and then create a new snip, and then extract this image. Well, you wouldn't want this dot here, so let's do that one more time. You would want to click new and extract this image, and now you can save this or paste it on your PowerPoint or Photoshop or wherever it's copied. So you can either save this as a JPEG, so I can go in and save it as a JPEG, or you can just copy and paste it onto your whatever boards that you're creating. So that's how you extract an image from SketchUp itself. Say, for example, if you want a plan view, it's the same thing, right? So if you go here, I'm gonna undo a couple of things. So I can go back to the regular style and maybe go to the top view. So this is the top view. Now make sure that your camera is still parallel projection, because that's how you create the top view. And then we can again do the same things that we did. Do the hidden line and make sure that you go to axis, and now you have your plan view. So you can go here and extract that image and paste it or use this image in your presentation. So this is how you extract images directly from SketchUp. the next thing that I'm going to show you in the next video is how to use Inkscape to extract rendered floor plan sections and such from Inkscape, directly from Inkscape.